Alright, what is up YouTube? So it's super nice out today, as you can tell, super bright, but it is supposed to be raining a little bit later on today, so I'm going to try to get out beforehand, see if I can make some pictures. Not really sure where I'm going to go yet. I know I am heading up towards Cleveland, Cuyahoga type area. Not really sure where all I'm going to stop yet, but we'll make those decisions up as we go. So let's get going. So we just made it here. It is quite a bit chillier than when we left. Got the hoodie on. Water's flowing quite a bit. Not really sure how much I'm going to be able to get down there, but we're going to put the waders on and give it a shot. Let's go. So the last place was one of those rare cases where it's actually flowing too much. There was so much mist coming off it, it was basically impossible to get a clean picture. So what do you do when there's too much water flowing? You go to one of the places you know that usually doesn't flow very heavy, because you'll probably get a pretty unique picture where it's actually flowing a lot. So that is what we're doing right now. I've been to this place a couple times and it is never flowing heavy, like ever. So going to take advantage of high water levels and try to get a unique photo here. So yeah, let's test it. Well, worked out pretty much exactly how I planned. It's flowing pretty heavy. I've actually never really seen it flowing like this before. So I'm gonna try to get a little creative and see what I can make out of it. It seems as though the waders are completely done for now. So, sad face. Okay, so much like the last place, we are going to another waterfall now that is, generally speaking, pretty low flowing. The last one gives me a lot of hope for this one, so I guess we'll hike down there and check it out. So this is how crazy this current is right now. Pretty insane. I got it propped up against the tree here to keep the river from unsetting it. So yeah, that's where we're at with this. Alright, well, that went pretty much right as I expected. Had some nice flow, I think I got some decent pictures, and I got back to the car just in time because it just started raining. So I'm gonna hit the road and head back home. That's going to be it for today's video. I appreciate everyone who took time to check it out. If you enjoyed it, please like it, leave a comment, let me know what you thought. Subscribe if you're not already, share it. All of that stuff helps me out tremendously. So I greatly appreciate everyone who does those things, and I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.